A new Samsung leak claims that next year's Galaxy S24 Ultra will receive a big camera important over current models, but not in the way previous leaks led us to expect. The Galaxy S23's cameras are extremely capable, though not without criticism. But we could see Samsung take another jump in 2024. According to well-known leaker s24, the Galaxy S24's main camera will likely remain the same or get slightly changed. However, he believes the Galaxy S24 Ultra's telephoto sensor will get an upgrade. Another leaker believes the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature an 150x zoom camera. Leaker Yogesh Brar concerns and said the Galaxy S24 Ultra in particular will get massive camera improvement and that this will be achieved primarily through software upgrades. The Galaxy S24 is still in development. Huawei's plans might change, but one way or another you can expect the Galaxy S24 to improve on the Galaxy S23's camera experience. We'll let you know when you learn more.